Hey, what's up everybody? It's Elijah, Righteous River Fishing in Oregon, and I'm staying at the coast right now, but the reason I'm making this short video is to open my first custom-made sweatshirt, okay? I'm pretty excited about this. As you guys know, I recently got had a logo made, and I'm gonna probably have a video about that, but check out this Airbnb we're staying at. Actually, I don't even know if it's Airbnb, but we're at the coast, we're in Yachats, and looking at the ocean right now. So I'm gonna pan this around real quick, but check this. Let's go, that's the view. That is the ocean. There's a state park real close by. But yeah, what a bomb place. I just got a pizza there. We got a chill place here. And there's like multiple bedrooms, but like, what's up? We got a huge bathtub. Place is pretty sick. So yeah, this place is awesome. But I'm really excited about this sweatshirt. I had this logo made for Righteous River Fishing in Oregon, and it came out super good. And I'm really happy about the artist who did that for me. But I think you're gonna like it. So let's do a quick unboxing, and I want you guys to see this with me, okay? So let's check it out. Okay, here it is. Let's check it out. I think you guys are gonna like this. I just hope that this sweatshirt's good enough quality. I'm gonna mess around and get different sweatshirts until I really find one that I like. But right now I went with a Hanes on my first sweatshirt. Whoa, let's go. Okay, so here's the front, right? Just a black Hanes extra large sweatshirt. But check out this logo. Okay, hold on. Whoa. And if you guys notice, like, that's me. It's literally a picture of me holding a big coho salmon. So, Righteous River Fishing in Oregon. That's sick. Now, here's the good part. Seriously. This is what I think is the coolest. Ready? Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea. Genesis 1:26. I hope that doesn't come out backwards in the camera, because right now I'm looking at it, it's backwards, but is it gonna, look at that. Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea. That's the back of my sweatshirt. And then the front is the logo. Oh man, this thing's sick. I'm stoked. Oh, it's pretty comfortable. Oh, what's up? And by the way, Lucas, my son, I told him, as soon as I get this worked out and find the product I want, I'm gonna order you one. That's it. Let's go. I got my own sweatshirt. You know, and this is just for fun, you know, represent. And the company I used was Ninja Transfer. So I also ordered they call DTF heat transfer, so I can experiment with some hats of my own gear. And you could do something called a gang sheet. And so I had a gang sheet made with tons of logos, a couple more things that say, let them have dominion over the fish of the sea. But so far, Ninja Transfer for the win. This thing's sick. So thanks. Oh, by the way, recently I have over 1,000 subscribers now. So, and I got my own logo, and I'm just having fun with it. You know, this really isn't about making money or anything. It's about challenging myself to be a better fisherman, challenge myself to learn new things, to be more successful, to get out and adventure, try new water, and to just have a great time, right? Spread God's cheer and His blessings with others, and to help other people catch fish. That's what we're doing, okay? Helping people catch fish. So, God bless you all. Hope you like it, and more to come soon. Take care. Have a great weekend. I'm going steelhead fishing.